Now I'm on the 710 heading towards like Whittier. All the parts that I'm getting are all OEM, none aftermarket. I'm trying to get the most original fitment, that'll be the cleanest. So the guy has me in here following him through his storage. As you can see in there, this is the passenger one. Just a little bit, a couple of marks. Get started on this. Remove the fenders, front bumper, and the passenger fender. Let's see how this shit turns out. It's kind of dusty. Once I get everything settled, I'll give it a good wash. But it's time to rip it apart. Got some progress. Getting these holes covered up. I was gonna have to buy new parts, but found a good body man to get this shit done. We are coming together. Keep you guys updated. See how this ended up going. See the progress we make today. Almost. Got some progress getting done. All the holes. Holes are crazy. This one was super wide. So cut that open. This bodywork is crazy. Let's take that out.
Telling me is that this stuff don't take as good.
Yeah.
It's a good. If this was fiberglass, like on the fiberglass, oh, it's a shit.
They're covering up the hose though.
Bondo.
The Bondo, the green stuff?
No.
What you mean?
He got on the priming. The quarter panel was total.
Man.
How about 5 times uglier as this side right here? 5 times uglier, DeAndre, than this. He had the primer on it at lunchtime. I said, you hide it.
I can't even imagine it.
Essays ain't no joke, brother.
It's crazy how these holes really covered.
Amazing, huh? Once you see that on there,
Gotta keep videos so you can see the progress.
It's a wrap. All downhill. No, when I do that, it's downhill. All about sanding and blocking.
Working on this body work. Hose covered and smooth and sanded. hot. Sun been beaming. Working on this, gotta be careful because of window. All this shit getting done. Making some more progress.